Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with the essentials, the company domain and the full name of the contact. Once you have those, search the company website's About, Team, and Press pages for any posted addresses. Next, use LinkedIn to confirm exact job title. This helps prioritize which contact is relevant. Make sure to jot down any visible email formats you see. Those patterns will let you generate likely addresses. Finally, compile a short list of candidate addresses to verify in the next step. Once done, generate several address variants using observed patterns. For example, first, last at domain, F, last at domain, or first at domain. Then verify those candidates using email verification tools or SMTP checkers to see which one accepts mail. Also search Google and social posts for any plain text addresses. Sometimes press quotes show them. If verification tools are inconclusive, try sending a low-risk test message from your work account with a clear You finish by sending a brief, professional test email that invites a short reply and includes your signature. This confirms deliverability and tone. If you get a bounce, next try role-based addresses like contact at, info at, or specific department aliases, and consider reaching out via LinkedIn and mail to request the correct address. Make sure to update your records with the confirmed format for future use. One troubleshooting tip: if all attempts fail, contact the company's general phone line and ask the operator for the appropriate email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.